And this has been updated since the last time I was here. What upgrades have you guys made on this one?
Well, it has a little upgrades. Now we're still waiting for the last of the leading edge. You can see we're still missing pieces on it. So we're waiting on that. And as soon as they are completed, we will receive them. And then restoration will take over the installation and we will finish this plane. So it's been outsourced and we brought it back in-house. So now restoration will be able to finish it. We've been wanting to. It's just been, you know, issue after issue. Those have been resolved, and now we have the plane to finish.
So what's a little history of the plane for those of us who don't know?
This is an F-117, and our particular plane dropped the second bomb on Baghdad in Desert Storm. So that's kind of its cool claim to fame.
That is cool.
I mean, there's only 1 second. He wasn't the first, but Colonel Al Whitley was the pilot for this plane. So it served in Desert Storm, and we end up getting it, and it's been a long-going project. Now, when this plane is finished, and it has to stay inside or under cover, per the National Museum of the U.S. Air Force. So we cannot roll it out and put it next to the SR-71 or any other plane. It must be undercover or in a hangar. That is just absolutely their rules. So
what's the rhyme or reason to that rule?
Just protecting of the aircraft. That is just they came up with it, and if you put it outside, they come and take it. And when they come and take it, with the loan agreements, Castle pays its transportation to wherever it goes next. So when it's done here, it will go into our storage hangar, where it won't be around painting dust or anything. It'll just be there until our pavilion is done. And then we'll bring over the TBM Avenger, and it will sit in the same spot as the long-term project for restoration.
What was the crew on this?
This was a one-person crew. So it was just the pilot.
That's where it all came from. Everything came from down below?
Yep. So the bomb bays would open. When the bomb bay doors open, it was not stealth anymore because radar can pick them up. They would open the doors, deploy their stuff, doors would close right away, and it's back to stealth. So when this flies, it is the size of a bee on a radar.
Oh, I love that.
So it's kind of cool stuff. So we're going to put it back to, and it was not painted. It kind of had a film on it, almost like rhino lining, a bed liner. So we're going to try to duplicate that and put it back to as close to historically accurate as we possibly could.
That sounds great. So yes, remember to come check out the hangar during Open Cockpit.